Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 15 minutes is all you got, and I'm out. This is a shot. Yeah. 'Woo-hoo-hoo! I love that smell.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to the show. My name is Todd, and today I have the absolute pleasure of introducing to you Hardwire Entertainment Freestyle Motocross. These guys
Hardwire Freestyle Motocross.
Progressing FMX Freestyle, and that's what currently warmed up to put on a show for you guys. Over the next 30 minutes, you guys are about to see the biggest and baddest tricks of FMX. And these guys are going to show you what is possible.
You got one hander.
These guys love it when you make noise, and the bigger you get, the bigger they go, the higher.
Come on!
We have a couple of guys from over in These guys all travel the world.
Nice! Nice! Look at that! Oh, nice! It's gonna be good.
These guys just warming up the dirt bikes, just waiting to hit for the first jump of the day. First up, Muggins is testing out the ramp. This jump is 75 feet long with a 4.2 meter height landing.
Oh shit.
There is also a very short run up for these guys, a little shorter than usual, so they have to be on it. These are the first jumps of these guys for the day. Testing the speed, making sure everything's perfect before they throw down.
I'll throw down on this fucking air thing. Hey.
Muggins coming in, whipping his motorways again. These guys are just going to cut a couple of laps.
I should have brought my bike.
Get ready before the show starts.
Yeah!
got their warm jumps in. They're just going to come in now and start kicking it off with some of the basics of freestyle. First up, Muggins coming in with a nice big knack. Up next.
Flip that summit.
With a nice big nothing. No hands, no feet. Take it off. Callum coming in. First hit. A nice big flip man. As I said, these are some of the basic tricks of freestyle motocross throughout the show. The tricks are going to get bigger. The boy's going to go higher and things are going to get bigger. Muggins with a knack to no hands.
Wig. Flip it. Back flip that summit. Stop playing with me.
Yeah, nice big. No feet.
I can do that. Come on now. Stop playing with me.
Callum coming in. What do we got? We got a nice big lazy boy. Ladies and gentlemen,
That was nice.
make some noise for these guys starting it off the show today.
Woohoo!
Muggins coming in.
Flip it.
We got a nice Superman. Muggins is currently
That is poignant. Move out of the way.
shoulder. Only doing it a couple of weeks ago, but it's still out here riding for you guys today. Jack with a nice
Flip.
coming in. What have we got? Nice big flip. Jump is
Cliffhanger.
5 feet long. The landing is 4.2 meters. Muggins kicking it out sideways for you guys.
Yeah. Nice.
The basic trick has been done. We are now on to the intermediate tricks. These guys already let loose out here. Muggins coming in.
Flip.
We got a nice big super NG.
Flip.
Jet coming in. What do we got? We got a nice big rock solid. Taking those hands off, grabbing the back of the bike and pulling himself back in.
Flip, please. I can do that shit. Get out of here with that.
Guys getting into the more advanced tricks. Upright, FMX, Callum coming in. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please make some noise for these guys out here so far?
Come on.
We just started to kick things off.
Flip.
Alright guys, we all know we love to see these guys get upside down, so if you want to see
Flip
guys
it.
do a backflip, can I please hear some noise?
Hurry up. Hurry up. Fuck up. Flip that cut already. 360 that sumbitch. Come on.
Alright, these guys coming around, make some noise first. First up, hometown hero Muggins. Nice big backflip. Backflip, Callum backflip, 3 backflips. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise.
Come on, do better than that. Flip it. Cliffhanger backflip. Come on. Stop playing with me.